Welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to apply Temu discount coupon codes on product order. Okay, so how do you get about it? Let me go to your Temu. So Temu used to give a discount coupon codes on some products. So how do you firstly find your coupon code? How do you know if you have a coupon that you want to use? So what you want to do is go to your O, your U. If you go to your U, you're going to see coupon and offer. Click on coupon and offer. And currently now I do not have any coupon here. So if I have coupon, I'm going to see it here. I'm going to see it here. So for those of you that you have a coupon, you're going to see the coupon here. You can see sales service to find coupon. You can see, you can check that one and you can leave it now. You can see. So what you need to do is, if you are eligible for the coupon, just use the coupon here and you'll be able to see what are things that you can buy to use the coupon. So it's very simple. So guys, if you find this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.